Solved how to fix Steam keeps crashing on Windows. 1. Verify the integrity of your game cache in Steam. 2. Add your Steam client as an exception to your third-party antivirus application. Like this. 3. Run the Program Compatibility Troubleshooter in Steam. Additionally, disable full screen optimizations and enable run this program as an administrator. 4. Update your graphics driver to the latest version, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Perform a clean boot. 6. Update your Windows system to the latest version. 7. Uninstall then reinstall your Steam client.